welcome to the Mix, lovelies and friends. And on this very beautiful day, on the Mix, we have Dwayne. And Dwayne is featuring a few persons here on the Mix. And now it is a lot of people that are getting exposed, basically, allegedly exposed here. Now, on Dwayne's Vibe, he spoke about and listened to 13. And he said that he believes her, he believes what she has to say about these people. Now, these people are 360, which is Ashanti 360, and Matlock. She went on to speak about them and certain situations that happened, basically when they were in good graces. And people will never really talk, about you really until you guys are fall out of grace. And that is the situation that is hidden 13. And so she came out to speak on her own. So guys, go ahead and catch the video. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Hit that beautiful notification bell up there so that when I post, you guys know about it. And for all my lovelies out there celebrating your wonderful or beautiful birthdays today, I just wish you joy, peace, love, happiness, and prosperity throughout this, your beautiful year. And for all my other lovelies, my supporters, my friends, my followers, and whoever you are to me, have yourselves a beautiful rest of the day. Now, sometimes we do not hear things about people until at the end of a friendship. And even though sometimes we rate those people or we trusted in those people, we gave them our deepest thoughts and, we had them go to deeper lengths with us to know maybe all or a lot of things about us. Then when friendship breaks, the mouths are open and they speak on things that was said to them or even things that they experienced with the person that they're no longer friends with. So, guys, we must be mindful of the persons we share things with and the things that we say to these persons or the things that we open up to people as well, because once it's out there, there is no way for you to fix it. And also remember that people are always going to believe what they believe. So even if you're defending yourself, in this case, you're defending yourself because of what was said about you or what people may have said about you. It's what the recipient believes that they're going to believe. No matter how much you come out and try to clear the hair or try to present yourself as this person, even though it might be true. It's what the recipient believes that they believe. So please ensure that when you're in these friendships and you're speaking to your friends at that time, remember that we never know what will happen. We don't know if the friendship will be dissolved or what can happen in the future. So ensure that this is something that you're able to withstand. It's something that is not going to tear you down when you hear it again. Ensure that whatever the secrets are or the things that are covered up under the mat, that you're able to reveal them yourself and not feel a way about them, because once they're out there, people are going to believe what they believe, and there is no way or nothing you can do to make them unbelieve. Have yourselves a wonderful day and think smart. Whatever you say out there, ensure it's something that everyone in the world can hear. And it isn't anything to you. Have a great one now.
A houseboy, a mule, even to the point where clothes was removed from their person. I could have what kind of something this year and a demia people ya on a panya. I tell you no, to create so much controversy, so much havoc in people's lives who's doing way better than them. Then again, you see in life, when you're down there, you always want people down there with you. I would encourage all of you people out there with platforms, stop giving people like that on attention, because this is how they survive, by sucking on your energies. I mean, no say them are gonna cost me. Them probably gonna try jam mother. Just no say when they're gonna cost my mother. My mother own a house that is worth more than £500,000. Respectfully, just saying. Before no go cost me a year. My mother drive a car that is worth more than £30,000. Respectfully, my mother. Let me chat with my mother to backside, because she don't like it. Let's continue.
Make we talk my money. You over there from how much months now?
Well, on the part that draw me to. Do you guys remember how this person dragged Anna through the mud over that Moya story? I wanna know say that person took on the project. Some of you people with platforms out here, even someone encouraged it. I mean, I try causing with, but I can remember some people out there did actually encourage that person to keep on going and do good for that person. Only if you go find out, say. Only if you go find out, say. How am I money do? And then they want to come class people and call them scammer, among other things. Make that shit make sense. Only God knows, Baba. I'm very sorry. I'm if you tell you, girl, and you know, I swear to God, I thoroughly, may I tell the truth, I enjoyed you, madam, over there, sir. I know we're not friends, we'll never be friends again, probably, but I thoroughly loved how you spoke and you tell the people the things where we don't know. You know, so say I God sitting over there in camp. All the time, I was eating it myself. So you go over there. Let me be blunt. All the time I was eating it myself. So you go over there. I'm like, what the hell is this? Maybe that's one of the reasons why I was behaving so nasty-ish. So like, what the hell is this? What's this? But anyway, a God sent it over there so you could get information from them about them one thing. A God sent you, girl. Remember, in everything out of bad, something good always come out tight. And here is one such. Let's go back a little bit. Let's just go back a little bit.
Come here to clock a mule.
Make us start part for the mule part again. I want you to part there again.
Front no wash yet. Cause the outer underneath. Oh, Matlock, we couldn't find $350. $350. Matlock and Shantu can't talk to me. Ashanti, when Janet come and take back her clothes, them. From you, Ashanti, you're the gardener. Ashanti, when Janet come here for walk like a mule.
Oh, yeah.
You brought up a corner, no hear me answer. Ashanti, come here. Make we talk my money. You're over there from how much months now? You got talk.
And pause, PSA people. Let me make my position clear. Yes, I know I frigged up. I know a lot of you are really disappointed in me, but I promise you, I am here to build back that trust in Uno. I'm here to build back confidence and do so respectfully. Uno want believe me? That I phone the business. I don't care. I just know where my mindset is. And no one is going to jerk me or shake me. Not even them coming. Most of them will come. I'm going to go out and say, but darling, on our cost by yourself. Yes, let's get into it.
See the content here. Never have no FST, man. The front no wash yet. Cause the outer hardness. Oh, Matlock, we couldn't find $350. $350. Matlock, Ashanti, you can't talk to me.
Thank you, Charmaine.
Ashanti, when Janet come and take back her clothes, them. From you, Ashanti, you're the gardener. Ashanti, when Janet come, you have to walk like a mule. Your bro, I can't hear me answer. Ashanti, come here. Make we talk Maya money. You're over there from how much months now?
Make we chat Maya money. You know, say I should fling Anna in the caption too. I go fling Anna in the caption.
I go talk. See the content here. When you go talk to Maya mother, no suicidal case you have on the cast. Why you can't come out? When Maya also you did take over there for Anna. It should have finished. Ashanti no draw me tongue. Uno no draw me tongue. Uno bright bullet in my son. Your uno and nobody not tell me nothing. Cause my son was gunman. Me used to sling gun from other talk. What the blood clot do you? Well, don't take your brother disgrace. Matter how much months your brother they pour ice. How much months? You couldn't find the $350 for buy the ticket. When Ashanti gave him credit card number, to stay America and buy back Janet. When Janet lock up blood clot go over there, got change over lock and take back her. Ashanti your brother, Ashanti one time in my blood clot like when me I did young girl in a city land. Come in up here to talk my story.
Pause. I just remember something. Do you guys remember when Marcia Campbell did come out and say, was it Marcia? It's either Marcia or Maxine. One of the two of them did come out and say, the woman, Janet woman, locked him out of the house and him brought back into the house. You remember that story there? You remember? 13! Hey, 13. I know we'll never be friends again, but I love you for that one. I love you for this one. I love you for this one. I swear to God. 13? And move ball it up. Move ball to backside. Why? That's
for buy the ticket. When Ashanti gave him credit card number, to stay America and buy back Janet. When Janet lock up blood clot go over there, got change over lock and take back her. Ashanti your brother, Ashanti one time in my blood clot like when me I did young girl in a city land. Come in up here to talk my story. Me that there with that boy, me top there with him and him buy me one blouse.
Pause. I have a question for the collective. People, please, me, I'm going to interact. Don't be afraid. I'm telling you, I am here to build back confidence in all of you. I don't just eat that. But my question, anyone ever changed like Pony yet? Me have to ask, has anyone ever changed like Pony yet? I like to know that house. Oh, God, if I laugh, eat on Zoom.
See me and a one man, and me and him, and we did back clip out, can't tell me if I take off him blouse, I come a boy like him want ball, and him hold up some buckle. That was the closest me and a man got to close.
I tend to go boy that together.
Independent girl on a bright.
Same so.
So the content on the wire, me can't come out, come talk about phone story.
You're rude plus tax. Ew.
Matlock, you're
rude.
Me could appear for bullet, Matlock.
Well, let me be 13, alright, man. You're rude. All right, let's go.
Blood clot your taxi. My night 2 man them where granny when I give nothing over there. You talk about bullet, but Matlock not right, you know. Black mouth John Crow, don't brag. content, you know. You see how long on over there. Ashanti, how dare you come talk about homeless and a catch a Janet, sorry for you.
It's 13 saying that person a Kachisha. Oh, Kachiana. Let's say Kachiana. And then you people have the audacity to want to come for people who actually has a little roof over them head top, even if a hotelemina, even if one lemina, the levels of audacity. Now for the firing down pound. And then on one have company too. How does that shit make sense? On a North Southern life is done already. So on one pull for company too. And you pull for company in many forms. Marcy can be one of those people to pull for company from. Knowing damn well that woman has never slept in a car, never, ever slept under a bridge, never ever borrowed anyone's clothes, on the outer order, on a road. Curly, you see I keep on telling you, stop going in the trenches or the gutters to meet people who is beneath you, but you don't listen. Let's continue.
How dare you? Me never. No, don't ask me why, Sandra. I will get ignorant now. These people over there for months and them go on. Them go on. How much secret me know about the Ashanti and Matlock and me no come out here come talk. Matlock brother dead over there. For months Matlock brother dead there. Who no go down?
Oh no, I hear.
Matlock couldn't find the 350 for buy the ticket.
Oh no, I hear. And these are the people out here making people's lives miserable. Imagine. I hope from this day moving forward, some of you will never look at these people again because these people are unworthy of your words. I'm going to care them, I'm going to cost me. I know they're going to curse me. I know, but darling, on all cost by myself, I'm here to do me and build back the confidence of the people. You understand? I knew who I was a long time ago, and people like Uno got me to where I was. Try that shit again. Let's continue. Nothing on Hollywood platform. Stop giving them your attention, because trust me, I saw they suck from your energy, and they don't deserve that shit. Excuse my language, but it's the truth.
People are give me money. I'm tell Ashanti give my clock. Me walk away. Me walk away. And this girl we could have find $350. Me know me bigger than that, but when them over there come talk about me late son, and I come over about your bride, Matlock, I'm behind house back your son, bury my son asleep in a liquid of cut. Why?
That part.
You're bright.
That part.
$350 and you couldn't buy the ticket. Ashanti, when you talk about homeless, come right here. You forget where you got to. Let me talk the whole true story now. Janet, buy your ticket and make you go Canada. No boy can't buy me no ticket out of this.
I will. Well, I'm going to hear some things on me. I'm telling the truth, and I swear to God, you're going to hear some stuff. I'm going to shock to backside. But you know one thing, if you see, even though me and 13 we're not friends again, because on the north say, I overyas the 13 start, I overyas the start, right? Them time of me and 13, I war him for Donna. Let's be real, we was worrying him for Donna. Let's be real. But anyways, that's the past. If I'm not thankful for nothing else, I am thankful if 13 went over there and she was able to get information. 13 out of every bad comes a good. And we know say we perhaps will never have another conversation. Perhaps me nah say never, because I'm not God. But I'm thankful that you really did go over there and you infiltrated them camp. I'm thankful for that. Respectfully, I mean, I tell no lie. I'm telling the truth. I'm serious too. So, out of everybody comes damn good. Let's go back at Black Party.
Why? You're bright. $350 and you couldn't buy the ticket. Ashanti, when you talk about homeless, come right here. You forget where you got to. Let me talk the whole true story now. Janet, buy your ticket and make you go Canada. No boy can't buy me no ticket out of this. No boy can't buy me no ticket out of this. God. You're out of order. You got talk Tory when you go so. Cuss me as you have a like. Talk anything. Talk say me say all when me no say I don't give a fuck. But when you go touch my pick me and I come go on like you know what come size up off on no more than blood clot me. Record of cut my son blood clot there, you know.
And honest to God, I'm gonna stop and talk a little part here. I swear to God, it's really, really nasty. It's really, really distasteful that people, not even the dead can actually rest in peace without people trying to use them against their living family members. I feel like that's something we as a collective, we must do our best to cut it out. I mean, no say nothing might think say I'm being shady. Not even shady. On my fees, I'm not being real. On the lucky, I'm telling you the truth. It's something with them if you just cut it out because it's not sending a good message. It's not. Where the hell is that damn plug? I didn't know this damn thing was done. It's not sending a strong message. It's not. And I feel like the dead should always rest in peace and rest like